Okay, so this is a quick demonstration of bank switching a Technicolor gateway using a little voltage current controller. I'm starting off with the standard Technicolor power supply, but instead of connecting that directly to the gateway, it's going through here, which is controlling voltage and current. I'm going to start at 12 volts with a limit of 2.4 amps, which is more than the gateway will use anyway. And I'm just going to start it up normally. And to get a better view of that controller, I'm just going to try and zoom in on that. Okay, let's try that. As the boot process takes a long time, I'll probably fast forward through this bit. Okay, so now we can see that it's booted. If I try and just move this down a bit, you may be able to see that the version number is 20.3C0389, and that has booted from bank 1. Now I'm going to turn it off and start again, but this time I'm going to set the voltage down to 8 volts. And I'm going to set the current to 0.42 amps. And then I'm going to start that again. Now what you see is that initially the current is quite low, about 0.3 amps. And then gradually it climbs until it hits the 4.2 amp limit, and then the controller will start to reduce voltage to limit that current. And when that happens, the boot should fail. There it is. Boot has failed and it's gone back to the beginning again at just under 0.3 amps, and the process is beginning again. So that's one failure. Creeping up now. And there's the second failure, back down to 0.29 amps again. Now after the third failure, I have to get in quickly to raise the current limit so that it will boot normally. And there it is. Now I need to be quick, get the current raised back to 2.4, and then get the voltage raised back to 12. So that this time when it boots, it should go all the way. In the meantime, I'll just close that tab and wait for the new network connection to appear again. Probably need to fast forward this time too. And there's the login page again, but this time we're running firmware 18.1C0443, so we've booted off back to success.